Hello and welcome to this new video on how to see repost on TikTok PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the search bar and type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard. It is available in both Play Store, App Store and Microsoft Store as well. So TikTok doesn't have any repost features for PC currently. I'll just show you that it doesn't have any features. In mobile phone, when you click on this arrow, there will be and repost features, but when you click here, as you can see, you can scroll down, you won't find any repost features. And another thing that shows that there isn't any repost features is you just have to go and look at your profile. You can just go in the left hand side and there is a profile button. Just click on the profile. As you can see, there are only 3 options, that are videos, favorites and likes. So currently there isn't any repost option on PC on TikTok. So it may appear in future, but currently there isn't any available. So to conclude, you can't see repost on TikTok PC and you can't even repost on TikTok on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.